With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this question we need to find out that according to the modern concept, the cell membrane is whether it is solid, it is quasi-fluid, it is a fluid, or it is a solidified sheath. So let's first understand the structure of the cell membrane. In this case, we know that the membrane of the cell is made up of phospholipid bilayer. So when we say phospholipid bilayer, it is clear that there are two layers of the phospholipid. So one part is the head part and the other one is the tail. The head part represents a number of phosphates and it is hydrophilic in nature. So it is hydrophilic. Whereas the tail part is hydrophobic in nature, that it is water repelling. So the tail part consists of two strings that are composed of fatty acid chains. So we have the heads on the outer side as well as on the inner side, while the tails of both the heads lie towards the inner side. Along with this, we have certain proteins which pass through and through the membrane, and also, so let's see the proteins here. There are certain proteins which lie on the surface of the membrane like this, and others are the ones which occur through and through the membrane. These proteins are called as the extrinsic proteins. Whereas these proteins are called as the intrinsic proteins. So, seeing this structure, we can say that the membrane is basically a quasi-fluid nature. So, this membrane is of the quasi-fluid nature. That means it is a protein iceberg in the sea of lipids. So, we can see that these protein molecules, they almost float in the membrane. So, we can call it as a protein iceberg. So, they look like icebergs. So, that is why they are called so. Protein icebergs in sea of lipids. So, this gives membrane a quasi-fluid nature. The fluid mosaic model, which is explained here, is the most recently accepted structure of the membrane. So in this case, it concludes that cell membrane is quasi-fluid. That means proteins icebergs in the sea of lipids, as the membrane model comprises of the lipid molecules, which has got globular proteins, which can be classified based on the ease of extraction. The extrinsic proteins can be easily extracted. The intrinsic proteins they can also be extracted, but it is little difficult to extract those. So this is all for this question. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.